Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to make a salad with wild mustard or black mustard or any other similar things from the brassica family. So if you see some plant like that, you can collect these flowers to use in the salad, or you can use its pot beans when they green for use as a salad, as a spice. You can also collect the black beans if they're ready. If the plant is infected with aphids or black flies, don't take it, because it's damaged and it's very difficult to separate them. So you need to take only healthy bits. And of course don't take it near to the road. I just find this plant to show you. You see, this seed beans is very soft and it's very nice to use it fresh. So you can pick these soft bean pods. So let's collect it. So if you can just take small bits at the end with the flowers and collect all soft seed pods. Maybe later on I will show you what you can do with ripened seeds. So when you collect it, you can do a salad. Don't wash the flowers, but wash the seed pods. So we've got tomatoes, which we will finely chopped, and cucumber. We just slice it into small cubes. Salad leaves rip by hand into small pieces. I prefer to use hands to make salad more fluffy. So bean pods separate from the stalk and finely chop them. Sprinkle with olive oil, salt it a little bit and mix it well. And now it's time to add flowers. Just sprinkle flowers on the top, slightly mix and add a little bit flowers on top, and that's it. The salad is ready. Enjoy! If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and wait for new interesting book about foraging in July. This video is made for this book. Thank you, bye!